The new Google Pixel 8 Pro looks very impressive, but can it compete with the new iPhone 15 Pro? So in this video, we're gonna compare all the specs: camera, performance, display, and battery life. This makes it easy for you to choose which phone should you buy. If you want to buy any of these devices, then check the links in the description below. First up, let's talk about the displays. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. On the other side, the iPhone 15 Pro features the 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR promotion display. Both are incredible, but which one suits your visual preferences? Now, let's shift our focus to the cameras, the battleground where these titans truly shine. The Pixel 8 Pro rocks a triple lens setup, including a 108MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP telephoto lens. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro counters with its powerful triple 12MP camera system, providing exceptional low-light performance and computational photography. Which one captures your moments better? Under the hood, both phones are powered by their respective beasts. The Pixel 8 Pro houses the latest Snapdragon processor, ensuring snappy performance and seamless multitasking. The iPhone 15 Pro, true to Apple's form, promising unmatched speed and efficiency. Which powerhouse suits your daily needs? Software, a critical aspect. The Pixel 8 Pro runs on the latest Android version, offering customization and a vast app ecosystem. On the flip side, the iPhone 15 Pro flaunts the latest iOS iteration, known for its smooth user experience and timely updates. Are you Team Android or Team iOS? When it comes to endurance, the Pixel 8 Pro houses a hefty battery, optimized for all-day use. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro, with its efficient A16 chip, promises an impressive battery life as well. Which one will keep up with your busy day? In conclusion, both the Pixel 8 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro are technological powerhouses with their unique strengths. The decision ultimately boils down to your personal preferences, whether you prioritize camera prowess, operating system allegiance, or overall performance. Which one would you pick, Pixel 8 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic tech battles.